So what's up my beautiful people, good day, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Compliment of the season, you all. Alright guys, so I officially tried twist out on my natural hair, and in today's video I am just going to walk you through what I did. Okay, so this is my hair freshly washed. I'm going to take each braid section down and I'm going to be twisting section by section. All right, see, if you're feeling lazy to do your hair, doing it like this is like the best way that I've found, you know, twisting or making your hair section by section. If you do not even put it in braid like this, you can just part it in like 6 or so sections and then pick one section at a time. That's like a game changer. You know, I'm always finding a lazy way out. So I'm going to now divide my section. Like each section I got like 5 subsections out of it, something not too tiny. Okay, so I'm going to now start braiding the beginning of my twist. I braided the root of my twist just so it will lay flat, but at the end of the day I actually regretted braiding the root of my twist rather. I would have used elastic, because then when I was separating it, when I got to the root, it was kind of hard, you know, and when I am not doing like a braid out. Okay guys, so I'm just going to like show you how I do it again, but don't worry, I'm going to show you I'm going to explain the steps that I take later on. Okay, so this is me just twisting it. Another thing that you should bear in mind is that you have to twist it a little tighter. Like you're not going to do loose braids for this style, you're going to make the braids tight. Okay, that way the coils will come out finer and better. If you've done twist out on your natural hair, please would you help us know some tips too, because guys, I don't do twist out that often because it doesn't always used to come out the way that I want. Even this one did not come out the way that I want, but because I was filming it, I said, okay, let me just show everything. Let me just show everything. Okay, so yeah, what I do, how I prepare my twist is that I go in with my aloe vera gel and I will use it to saturate my hair, not something soaking wet. Okay, so I use it to saturate my hair, and then I go in with aloe vera gel actually, but the clip is not here and I don't know why I missed that clip. But I apply aloe vera gel and then I seal everything. I will then seal everything with my butter. This butter is fenugreek and flaxseed butter. All right, that's what I'll be using to seal everything. Guys, I did not use any special products on this day. Could that be the reason why it did not come out that nice? I don't know, but I didn't use any special products. And no, I don't think that's the reason. I think the reason was because I carried it for so long. I was supposed to carry it for just 2 days or 3 days, just until it dries, right, completely, until it dries completely. But I ended up carrying it for 1 week, which is 7 days. So I feel like that was what happened. I don't know, what do you guys think? If you've been doing twist out on your hair, please, what do you think? Because I would love to do it again and I would love to get it right, and I don't want to trouble myself over trying to get like a special product for twist out, right? I want to get a bump twist out without troubling myself. So maybe my next twist out, I'm actually try doing it with flaxseed gel or aloe vera gel. So I've tried or okra gel. So this particular one is aloe vera gel, and yeah, we'll see. But then the next other ones, I'm going to try flaxseed and okra. That will be in the future. Okay, all right. So again, I am applying my butter all around from the end of my hair all the way to the root of my hair, and then I'm going to brush it properly. See, I don't usually brush my hair, but for the purpose of this twist, we're going to do something exceptional, all right, so that the twist will come out nice. So this is what my hair was looking like when all my hair was done. I'm going to go ahead and oil my scalp. This is important for me because I have flaky scalp, and if I don't do this, I will just be walking around with dust on my hair. Okay, so that is why I always oil my scalp, apart from the fact that it helps to encourage hair growth. So yeah, I'm killing 100 birds with one stone, literally. All right guys, so this is 7 days later and this is what my hair was looking like, guys. This is what my hair was looking like. So you could see that there's some frizz on the hair. Now I'm going to go and apply oil on my palm and then apply it on the hair before I start taking the twist down. I hear this is to temp frizz. What do you guys think? Like, why do we apply oil on our hair? I hear it helps to temp frizz, but what other reasons? Why do we apply oil on our hair before taking out any twist out or braid out or bantu knot out? Like, I always used to wonder the purpose of the oil. Okay. So this is what I mean by when I got to the root, it was kind of separating the way that I don't want. It was scattering the twist out the way that I didn't really like. And again, I don't know, the thing was just standing. See, so just standing, and I was trying to like lay it flat. So I'm going to use my clip. I'm going to use my Gorilla clip to lay it flat. And yeah, that's what I'm just going to be doing. So look at the coil that it's giving, right? The coil is actually okay. But then when I started separating the braid side, the coils kind of scattered the way that I don't want. You get? And that's why I said I wouldn't have done a braid. I would have just used like elastic band, oil the elastic band and use it on the root instead. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do next time. Instead of doing braids, I might just like oil elastic band and use it on my roots next time. I could actually just twist it down, but then if I twist it like that, right, the root is going to be puffy. If you know twist, you know that twist, it just, I don't know, I'm going to put it, it doesn't like lay the root of your hair flat, you know. So if I twist it like that without, you know, putting anything, the roots will just be puffy somehow. So that's why I decided to break the root down before twisting. But then I'm saying now that I shouldn't have done that. Maybe I should have just twisted it like that, or just, you know, use the elastic band like that. Anyway, I'm learning. Okay guys, so once I am done taking down my whole twist, this is what it was looking like. I'm going to do pick me up at the back and entire part of my twist. So I'm just going to use this comb to pick, and then, you know, this part is just to help it fluff up a little bit, fluffy, you know, so that all the parts and all will not just show, right? Alright my people, so if you're enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel a whole lot, and please consider subscribing if you like content such as this one. Thank you very much. This is what the hair looks like once I am done picking the hair. What do you guys think? This is this should be the end of the twist out section. But I was not loving the way that the twist out was looking, so I decided to try different styles on my hair. So here you're just going to see me trying different styles. I thought this one should be cute, and I said, okay, let me put like a pin on the two sides and see what happens. And this style should actually be cute if I use like a bubble pin and then I pin the middle down as well. I believe it would have come out like really cute. I mean, this is like a style inspo, you can always do better. Okay, so this is what the back was looking like. I didn't know that it was cut half, so yeah. And this is like the cutest of cutie. This is like another cute one as well. And yeah, I paired it with my earrings, and the thing was just looking sharp. And I decided to like use the same flat twist and put it behind the hair and see how it looks. And yeah, nah, I didn't really like I didn't like the look of this particular one. So then I thought, how about I do like one side, you know. And then I'm going to now try and pin my hair by the side like that. These styles are actually cute if you like calm down and do it properly. Guys, let me tell you one secret, like one secret. Before my hair grew this long, like when my hair was still short, I was like, oh, when my hair grows so long, I can't wait for my hair to grow so I can style it different styles. Now my hair is as long as I was dreaming back then, and I still cannot do different styles on my hair. It's like the creativity to create different styles just left me, guys. I don't know. It's like the creativity just left me. Each time I want to style my hair, I just end up packing it up or down, or you know, like I don't know how to do styles on my hair, and I don't know why. It is well. Anyway, guys, so I went off camera to do this particular one. I actually went live to do this particular one. I just copied the clip from live to come and show you guys. And this is cute, actually. Cute, but don't mind the make-believe bun, what do you call it, bow tie that I did in front. It's like it's like baby make-believe. So I decided to like tuck the drop-in, what will I call it now, behind, and this style also look cute. And here, this is like the last style, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do, please kindly give me a thumbs up, alright, and subscribe to the channel if you like natural hair content. And you all, I'll see you in my next video. My name is Favor, compliment of the season, and take care of yourself, you all. Bye.